Hey yo, what's going on guys? Maybe today gonna show you with my new toys about the NERF M416. The brand is SEMBYLON Toygun Age 14 plus. That's the age, and this is the type of toy NERFty. Alright, so this is something, the category of items on the box. Yeah, maybe it's a tiny pen. Well, maybe I'm gonna review it for you. So here we go. We got the barrel. This the M4 barrel, as you can see. Some tip right there. And there is some M460 stock, as you can see. And this the tube for the barrel. As you can see, there is some the key for the holding the hole. And on the back side, there is the sling attached if you wanted to put the sling attachment. And this the hollow side optic, as you can call it, hollow side optical. And this is the brand, as you can see, dummy for EOT tag hollow side. On this, when you get the battery side, you need the battery. If you will not need a battery, it will not function. And this the key part of the you attach the optical. You can remove it just like this. On this side, there is the button for the turn on it, the reticle. You can see. That's pretty good. And this the grip. On this part, there is a screw. You can screw it to open it. And on the back side, there have the part of the couple for the screw it. The grips is very comfortable, as you can see. This the magazine, the 12-round magazine. The 12 magazine just looks like worker mat, as you can know it, but it's very smooth. And this the barrel attached for the Spencer. And this the tool you need for the recoil for fix your NERF STRYFE. Alright, I'm gonna show you. And this the key part for the grip when you open it, the screw, as you can know it. And this the screwdriver for to remove for your NERF to insert the battery. And this the USB charge for your battery, for the 3.7V battery you need. And this the last one, my NERF STRYFE. Well, if you wanna see the battery, I will gonna show you. To open the battery, you need to open the screw. Wait a second. Alright, here we go, the battery. As you can see, this the 3.7V battery. That's pretty simple. If you low on battery for the energy, you may be charged on this point. On this point, you can as you can see. Now, when you wanna put some the battery, you must to charge it on here. Just the same one when you charge the battery. Okay. Done. Here we go. On this side, the switch, you can switch the single shot. On this side, the blast mode. And the final one is auto. Just the same. Alright, let's attach the some attachment dia. This is the bad part when you attach the grid. So when you open it to remove it, you can use the screw again to remove. Now attach. Okay, now we put some of the opticals. Okay. Now it's done. As you can see, the M416. So guys, maybe I'm pretty sure if you wanna to buy this one, maybe I buy some in my country online shop. Maybe unfortunately I don't know where is to buy in other site for the other country you buy, just like Amazon or something else or eBay, I don't know. Okay, maybe I will make the next video for you guys. As you can see, for the part 2, the shooting test or something else. But see you next time. Bye.